Almost every other contractor I've talked to has told me the same thing. You can't paint PVC trim. The truth is, you absolutely can. The problem isn't the PVC, it's that most people skip one critical step. If you want the paint to last for years instead of peeling off, this is where it starts. I'm using a high quality bonding primer specifically designed to bite into the PVC material before any finish coat goes on. This step cannot be rushed. Once the primer is fully cured, it's time for the finish coats. I always apply 2 coats for complete coverage and a consistent finish. The goal isn't just making it white or black or whatever color you're painting it. It's creating a finish that looks like it came straight from the factory. Take your time, keep your coats even, and let the paint do its work. Already you can see how smooth this is turning out. This is going to be beautiful once it's installed. Now, once we have this painted, we're going to be ripping this through the table saw, cutting it down to size, whatever material you're using it for, rip it, cut it, miter it, whatever you have to do. Now, the finish stays intact when this is done correctly. This is exactly how we prepare trim before it ever gets installed on any customer's home. Now, when it comes to installing, now this is where everything comes together. The painted PVC installs exactly like standard PVC trim, but now you have the custom color you're looking for without sacrificing any durability. You have clean joints, tight reveals, and a finish that's built to last. Now, the finished result, take a look at this. Would you have guessed this was PVC? Probably not, but it's important also at this point, once everything's installed, to go along and do any paint touch-ups. Now, if this video changed your mind about how PVC can be painted or installed, hit subscribe. I post weekly videos exposing contractor myths, teaching homeowners how to renovate and how things should actually be done, sharing professional construction tips that can save you thousands. And let me know in the comments, do you think PVC could be painted before watching this?